Alright you guys, so today's video is going to be my new iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. I'm really excited to do this for you guys. But before I get into it, please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notification bell. You can follow me on all of my other social media, especially Instagram because that's my forte. And yeah, let's get into this. Oh yeah, before I get into all this, I do want to say that I am not a tech reviewer. I am not like a techie person whatsoever. I do more aesthetic videos. I do beauty, like this is beauty and lifestyle channel. I'm not a techie. If you're looking for that kind of video, you're in the wrong place. So don't come at me. This is not a techie video, but I do just want to show you how I set up my iPhone, the process, and what it looks like, and compare it. Oh, my husband got the blue one. Let's see if he wants to put it in the frame for a second when he's done setting it up. He's setting it up in the other room. So I'm really excited. I did get the gold. I got the 512 gig. Again, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Really confusing. I am upgrading from my iPhone 11 Pro Max, so still the same like big one. I like the bigger screen. It's just really personal preference. I know a lot of people prefer the smaller screen, but me, I like the bigger phones. I'm doing the Apple trade-in program, so I'm going to be sending this phone back in exchange for this one. So yeah, it's not really like a whole lot of a difference in terms of like what I pay monthly, so kind of excited about that. But this is the box. I don't remember if last year's was black. I just rewatched my video from last year unboxing the 11 and I don't remember. This is what comes inside, and I did kind of already open it like I said, but it's okay. It comes like with the cameras facing up. Right off the bat, the first thing I see is how much bigger the cameras are size wise, but also in thickness. I'll do like really close-up shots later so you guys can see them. I like that they don't do the plastic thing anymore. I know Apple's trying to go really green, like environmentally friendly. That was satisfying, even though I already took it off and I put it back on. I'm like really scared I'm going to mess this up, so I'm gonna really quickly put on the case I bought for it. I did buy a few things in preparation for this. I bought a screen protector. I'm gonna put that on later. I don't really want to spend the time doing that now, even though I'm gonna get fingerprints all over it. I'll just wipe them off and do it later. I also got this clear case from Amazon. It was just like honestly the first one that popped up. I like a really nice clear case. It's just a clear case. It does have that like ribbing. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I kind of like that, but the outside is really nice and smooth. I'll have a link down below if you're interested in getting this case. Hello, put it in the right way. Before I do that, I do want to show you how thick it is. I really like that it's glossy on the outside, matte on the back. It looks really pretty. I'm really excited for this, like so excited. And a lot of people have been saying that it looks much thicker than the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but I actually don't agree. At first, like when I saw videos on other like tech people reviewing these, I thought the same thing, but in person it actually looks almost the same. And also it would be the same thing if it was actually curving the same way the iPhone 11 does. It's not much thicker. It does feel bigger, as you can see. It is a little bigger, slightly bigger, just a hair, I would say. It feels bigger in my hand. It also feels a little heavier in my hand. Does it? I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and put this case on before it dies. Honestly, if I could, I would not use a case. If I could, I would leave this bare because I think it's really pretty, even though like the sides would smudge with my fingerprints all the time. I just think it looks really classy and chic. Adding a case to it just makes it bulkier, even though this is the thinnest case I could possibly find, to be honest. Okay, let's turn this on. So I'm gonna set this up. Hopefully nobody needs to reach me in the next few minutes while this sets up. You're not turning on, so this is, oh, there you go. It's turning on. I'm so excited. All right, so what else comes in the box? So we have what is this? Oh, one of those little things to take out your SIM card, I guess. And then you have your lightning to USB-C cable, which let's not even get started on this. I don't really like the idea that they didn't include a block, especially because they're including this whole fast charging thing. I just think that at least for this first generation, while they're introducing the USB-C to lightning or lightning to USB-C, they should have included a block. But I did get a block from Amazon. This is from Anker, the brand Anker. It is actually the bigger block, so it's probably one you should use with an iPad, not really an iPhone, but it doesn't matter. I don't really care. It is a fast charging block from Anker, but it's like the bigger one because the other one was sold out. So this is what it looks like. It's quite bigger than the other one. I mean, I don't have a size comparison, but yeah, this should just plug into, it has a USB-C port, and then it'll plug into your iPhone. I know that they're trying to go more green, and I know that they used to include a block in like every single other iPhone model, and it was really wasteful. A lot of people didn't really need them, but it is what it is. Oh, this turned on. Hello. United States. Quick start, set up manually. Bring your current iPhone near. Okay. Hold your new iPhone. There you go. Enter the passcode of your other iPhone. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Oh, confirm your phone number. The brightness is so low. Oh my gosh, it's so big in my hands. Like, it's crazy. Billing zip code. And then the last 4 digits of your social security number. Why is it asking me all that? I feel like, seriously, my lash is coming off. Set up Face ID. Position your face within the frame. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. First Face ID scan complete. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Second Face ID scan complete. Your Face ID is now set up. Cool. Transfer from iPhone directly. Says iPhone will be ready with your data when you finish setting it up. Or download from iCloud. You can start using your phone in about 15 minutes. I'm gonna download from iCloud. I feel like that's new. That hasn't been like that before, right? My lash is playing me today for real though. Update backup before restoring. Yeah, I'll set up my Apple Watch. Why not? I have the Apple Watch. I think this is a Series 2. It's so old. I definitely want to get the new one at some point. I just don't know when. Oh, updating backup. It feels really nice in my hands. I don't know. I'm just like really excited for this. I love the gold color. You guys can see the actual color. Like on camera, like every single video I've seen, even these tech people that got the iPhone 12 Pro Max before we all did, I see it and it looks like pretty white until you turn it, and then you can see like the gold with the reflective. This one I feel like is more gold. Yeah, you could definitely see the color difference, but I kind of like this one more, the 12. I don't know. It seems really pretty. It seems really nice and matte. It feels like it's supposedly it's scratch resistant. I'm not like 100% sure on all the technicalities, but really excited for that. It says waiting for iPhone to complete backup. So I'm gonna put it back in the case and we're gonna wait for it to do that. It could be a while, so I'm gonna be back in a little bit. All right, so it's already done. Like it took about maybe 20 minutes for it to like update my iCloud on my other phone and then transfer it to here. I mean, a lot of my apps are still loading. My Widgetsmith is not loading, but it's okay. I don't really have an aesthetically pleasing iPhone yet. I think once Apple figures out their shortcut situation, I don't like that you don't get the notifications. First of all, I don't know why my eye is tearing up so much just now, and I don't like that when you open the app, it takes you to the shortcut, then it takes you to the app. It's like too much work for me, so I just keep it kind of standard. I have my apps grouped in my app library like so. Oh, it's loading much faster than usual. I feel like I have a lot of apps, like a lot. Like people look at me and they think I'm crazy. I'm gonna do a little screen recording. I can already tell you though that when I go to video, it seems so clear. It's insane how clear it looks. I did just do a comparison of all the phones we basically have in this house. I have my iPhone 11 Pro Max. My husband had the iPhone 11 Pro in the green shade. He also had the iPhone SE, second edition. It's the product red. And then I did the comparison to the new iPhone 12 Pro Max and his iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is the blue one, which is beautiful, by the way. I love the blue. I just feel like a more feminine touch with the gold, right? I don't know what it is, but yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you're gonna get this new iPhone. I would love to know if you like the 12 or the 12 Pro or the 12 Pro Max. There's so many different iPhones. I get confused with everything. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.